Hey everybody, Pete Greco with Productive Corporation. In this video I'm going to show you how to get the Barracuda free M365 mail scanner connected, do a scan to see what might be hiding in your tenant, and then remove the permissions if you desire to do so. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm going to click on my M365. I'll enter my credentials here, which my defaults load up automatically, as will yours probably. You can see it's giving a lot of permissions, which may make you nervous about trying to figure out how to get rid of these, but no worries. We'll just go to the myapps.microsoft.com at the end to be able to remove those. I'm going to make a copy of that right now and accept this agreement. Okay, so I'll enter my credentials because I've already set up my account. And then I'll come up to the top three bars and do start a new scan. And the scan will commence depending on the size of your tenant. This could take up to 24 hours, could take as little as a couple of hours. Once the scan is started, you don't need to remain logged into the system. You can close this browser and go on about your day until you get that email telling you that the scan has been complete. So my scan has completed. I can hop back into this same site, or maybe I've left it up. I can rerun the scan if I want. I can share this information with my colleagues or supervisor. But more importantly, I can come down and see the results summary. Now, I ran this in my personal tenant, so not a lot going on here. You're probably going to see a completely different story in your actual production environment as we did in ours. And this is going to help you identify what kinds of things are making it through to your inboxes and help you decide if you need to take additional action. You can come in and start a free trial with Barracuda or reach out to your Productive Corp rep to discuss how to improve your M365 mail security. Now that we've seen all the information that we want to see from this, we might want to get rid of the permissions that we've granted to Barracuda. We'll simply go to the myapps.microsoft.com, log in with your admin credentials. Then we'll navigate to the Barracuda Networks app, and we'll click on the three dots and we'll be able to remove this application from our tenant, and you will have disabled all the access that you've previously granted. If you want to learn more about Barracuda mail security, again, please reach out to your Productive rep or myself, Pete Greco, Pete at productivecorp.com or help at productivecorp.com. We'd love to chat more.